Hey, welcome to Pink Piggy. Now, I've recently upgraded to having Windows 8. So I've got Microsoft Windows 8, and I'm sure most of you guys out there are sort of starting and thinking about doing it. Now, if you already have done, this is going to be a quick video now showing you how to open your programs, so that's using the start bar, how to close the programs, which is actually the same as using Windows 7 and on XP, how to turn off the computer. It's surprisingly difficult to turn the computer off, as I think some of you have found, and how to see all of your icons and search for certain programs. Okay, so first of all, this is what your desktop looks like. Now, if you've just turned your computer on, this is not what you will see. What you will see is this. Okay, so what you will see is this. This is all of your different programs that you get in your start menu. Now, I'm guessing you've got quite a few more here. I've already deleted a load because I knew I'd never use them million years. So if there's anything in here that you don't think you will ever use and you don't want it to be a sort of a shortcut area, what you do is you just right click on them. So say I don't want to ever use HP support, which I probably don't. And then once you right clicked on them, it ticks them. Now you can right click as many as you like. Okay, and what you're doing is you're just taking them off of this area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unpin them from the start. Now I'll show you where they've gone in a second. So unpin them from the start. So you click on that. Now they're gone. They've just gone. They're not here anymore. So what I'll do is I'll show you where you find them. Now, to see all of your icons, because of course this is not all of your programs, you need to right click. Now down in the bottom right here, all apps, click on all apps, and here you have everything. It's like on Windows 7 and on Windows XP, where you click on all programs. All apps means all programs, so they're all here, all in alphabetical order, and also it tries to be a logical system. So at the end here you've got your system commands and stuff. So here they all are. Now, how do you open programs? It's quite simply a case of just clicking on them. So if I want to find Microsoft Office, so Word, here is Word, and that's for word processing. Now, say I want to find Microsoft Excel, I can see it, it is down here, and Microsoft Office Word is here, but you can just start typing. So I'm just going to type in Excel, E-X-C. Now you see, it comes up with a search bar here, which shows you all the things it's searching. And here we got Microsoft Excel. So what we can do is we can just click on it and it will open Microsoft Excel. So here we go. We have the spreadsheet program, Microsoft Excel. I'm sure some of you use it, some of you will not, but I'm quite a big fan of this program. I'm not going to teach how to use it now, but to close this program, it is the same as Windows XP and Windows 7. Up in the top here, oh, and of course Windows Vista. Click Close. And there you have it. It closes. Now we're on a desktop. This is our desktop. Now, before, when we were in the start area, we were like this. So how do we find our desktop? Now, over on the far left, mine's at the top. I've put it there. The more you use things, the higher up in the list they go. It will be somewhere in this area here. You will see a box. It's usually a wide box that says desktop in the bottom left-hand corner of that box, and it will be a picture of your desktop. So if you click on the desktop, and here we go, we've got Pink Piggy. This is my desktop with a few of my icons on, and of course this is what I have open at the moment. So as you can see that I'm using a program called Camtasia to record this video. So now the next question is, how do you get from here to your start menu? So you take your mouse, that's the pointer, and you take it all the way down to the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and you just hover right in the bottom left, and it comes up with the word start in a purple box, a blue box, pink box, whatever you've set it to be when you turned your computer on, and you click inside this box. If you go too far out, it disappears. So just go right into the bottom left corner and then come out a few millimeters and just click. And there you go, you're back to it. Now I'm just going to click on the desktop, take it back to the desktop. Now to close your computer, so this is the last thing we're going to do, is how to turn off your computer or restart your computer. Now I'm going to go into the top right hand corner of the screen. So on your computer, take your mouse up to the top right hand corner of the screen, and it's come up with this little bar that says search, share, start, devices, settings. So what you've done is you've gone up to the top right hand corner of the screen, right into the corner, and it comes up. So you just take the mouse down, search, share, start, devices, settings. Okay, it's the last one, settings. You are going to click on settings, and it brings up this little box. Now in this box, you may have noticed it says power. Okay, so you click on power, and it brings up update and restart, or a restart if you don't need to do an update, a shutdown, or a sleep. So you click on whichever one you wish to do, and it will do it for you. And so that's the end of this video. I hope this has helped you, and I hope you will watch any more videos that we have on here. So the next one will be on how to access Google. Okay, and it will be on how to access Google, sign on, and change your home page on Microsoft Mozilla Firefox and on Google Chrome. So thank you for listening, and goodbye.